Good morning from Escalante, day one. Right now, this is wide open, just completely flat. But soon, the walls are gonna start to come up on either side of us. And before long, they're gonna be 400, 500 feet tall.
This is so cool.
Wow. Incredible.
Tripod, tripod, Oh my God. There's no way to go through it, so we go around.
I mean, holy. Just climbed up from down there. Wow.
Way to freaking go, fellas.
Oh, we got a little bit of walking cut out for us. Made it to the crack in the wall. That's our trail right there. Oh, holy shit, you gotta get down this? Look at Marcus going down this. Oh my God. God, this is so cool. Ow. Brown making his traverse. Holy shit, that was a long day.
Campsite.
Stevens Arch.
We got water right there.